I am big. I am so big. I am big. I am so big. I am big. I am so big. I am big. I am so big.
Early morning light, alpha wolf getting ready. Packing up my Nikon, hand steady, so steady. G7 500 strap, my gear's all set. With that 55 300 milliliter, no need to forget. 11 years of memories in that lens. Another journey to capture where the wild begins. Hop on the bus, heading down to Roskilde to town. Snow under my paws, no slowing me down. Then the train from Roskilde, riding through the frost. 3 hours of transit, but the wait ain't a cost. Keep us on the move, lens pointed at the wild. Gonna capture every moment, no worries, no denial. Animals in my view, a journey worthwhile. I'm an alpha with the passion, camera my style. Finally reached Pangea, wolves gotta roam. Walking through the gates, feeling right at home. White ear mother said, scurrying with grace. Capybara chilling, lazy smile on his face. Meerkat stands tall, watching like a guard. Wallabies bounce as I move through the yard. Foxes creeping slow, got my focus right on them. The parrot starts squawking, bright colors on display, can't ignore them. Hyacinth macaw, feathers glowing blue. Scarlet is soldier macaw showing off too. The snakes in the glass scale shining in light. Blood python coiled tight, West African crocs in sight. Snapping pics of wallabies, catching that lead. Our parrots perch high, up on our water key. The hare's hawk flying high above the trees. Kookaburras laughter riding on the breeze. Keep us on the move, lens pointed at the wild. Gonna capture every moment, no worries, no denial. Animals in my view, a journey worthwhile. I'm an alpha with the passion, camera my style. Turtles crawling slow, leopard tortoise in sight. Almond bread giant with age ancient and bright. Red-footed tortoise taking its sweet time. Blue-tongued skink sliding, frame frozen in prime. Mexican red rump, eight-legged and slow. Indian tree spider with the graceful flow. The reptiles lurking, crocs and Caimans deep. My lens zoomed in, every moment I keep. Testing out my decent 500, switching to record. Catching emotion, life I can't afford. Snake slither, monkey swinging in the breeze. Watching the stories unfold through the trees. 3 hours out here, but it's worth every bit. Hot dog in my hand, that's the perfect final hit. End of a good day, memories stacked high. Photos in my mind in the blue inner sky. Keep us on the move, lens pointed at the wild. Gonna capture every moment, no worries, no denial. Animals in my view, a journey worthwhile. I'm an alpha with the passion, camera my style. I'm Kiva the ice wolf, an artist at heart. With my Nikon, I'm ready to play my part. Chasing after light, capturing the world in sight. A lone wolf on the trail, finding beauty in the night. I'll be back again, wherever the road takes me. Capturing moments in ice wolf, wild and free.